Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable Windows from attempting to relaunch applications after you've restarted your computer. So if you restart your computer and you notice a bunch of previously opened applications are attempting to relaunch, perhaps they were not closed out of properly upon restarting your system. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn that off. So we're going to go ahead and start by opening up the Start menu. Type in settings, best match, should come back with settings right above app. So go ahead and just left click on that. Select the accounts tile. Select sign in options on the left side. And now on the right you want to scroll down underneath privacy, and there should be an option that says use my sign in info to automatically finish setting up my device after an update or restart. If you want to turn off relaunch of these old applications, just toggle this to the off position, and there you go, simple as that. Just close out of here, and that is it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you guys for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.